everyone. I'm here in front of you to present a report about the management information system. But first, before I proceed to my report, let me introduce myself. My name is SHAJARMAE BAROT. So, I will tackle about the three topics of management information system. First is the expert system. Next is the transaction processing system. And the next is the management information system. So, first is expert system. What is the expert system? Next is the main part of expert system, plus is some examples of their uses. What is an expert system? An expert system is a computer system that emulates making ability of a human expert. This is a piece of a software program using artificial intelligence techniques such as system use database of expert knowledge to offer advice or make decisions in such areas as medical diagnosis and trading on the stock exchange. So the next is parts of an expert system. Knowledge bases. A knowledge bases is a store of information or data that is available to draw on. The underlying set of facts, assumptions, and rules which a computer system has available to solve a problem. The next is parts of an expert system. The second one is the rule-based system. Is used to store and manipulate knowledge to interpret information in a useful way. So the normally term of rule-based system is applied to system involving human craft or curated rule set. The third one of the parts of an expert system is inference engine. Inference engine is a component of the system that applies a logical rules to the knowledge base to deduce a new information. The first inference engines were components of expert system. The typical experts considered of a knowledge base of an inference engine. The knowledge base stored facts about the world, and the inference engine applies logical rules to the knowledge based on the deduced knowledge. This process would iterate as each new fact in the knowledge base could trigger additional rules in the inference engine. The next one is the user interface. The user interface is the means by which the user and the computer system interacts in a particular or a use of an input device software. Next is explanation facility. Explanation facility is a most expert system have explanation facilities that allows the user to ask why, or it asks some questions and how it reached some conclusions. These questions are answered by referring to the system goals, the rules being used, and any existing problem. Provided such an explanation facility involves at least recording what rules are used and drawing conclusions and using these records to compose explanation like the ones above. Giving simple explanation like those always have a simple set of form. Then the next one, the expert systems examples. Examples of the situations where expert systems might be used. Car engine faults diagnosis, medical diagnosis, chess games, plant identification, animal identification, tax advice, and a career advice and guidance, and insurance. Car engine faults diagnosis. Car mechanics often use expert system to diagnose faults with car engine. First, the interactive user screen appears. Details of a car type are entered. Questions about engine problems are asked. Onboard computer connected to expert system. The car engine faults diagnosis. Next is the answers to questions in engine problems are typed in. Inference engine searches the knowledge base using rules base. Suggested probabilities of faults are output in the form of a report to mechanic. On-screen report is displayed. Medical diagnosis is another example of situations where expert system might be used. First is the interactive user screen appears. Question asked by the system. Symptoms of an answer are typed in. Expert system compares symptoms with those in the knowledge base using inference engine and applying rules. Matches are found. Possible diagnosis and advice are output. The next topic is a transaction processing system. Transaction processing system is a keep track of basic activities and transactions of organizations. Serve operational managers, and principal purpose is to answer routine questions and to track the flow of transaction through the organizations. Inventory questions granting credit to customer. Monitor status of internal operations and firm's relationship with external environment. Major producers of information for other systems. Highly central to business operations and functioning. But before that, another explanation about transaction processing system is an information processing system for business and involving the collection, modification, and retrieval of all transactions, data, and characteristics of TPS include performance. A payroll transaction of processing system. For a payroll, captures employee payment transaction data such as a time card. System outputs include online and hard copy reports for management and employee paychecks. The database of a payroll transaction processing system. The last topic is a management information system. Provide middle managers with reports on firm's performance to monitor firm and help predict future performance, and summarize and report on basic operation using TPS. Provide weekly, monthly, annual results, but may enable drilling down into daily or hourly data. Another explanation about management information system is a computer system consisting of hardware and software that serves as the backbone of an organization operations. An MIS gathers data from multiple online systems, analyze the information, and reports data to aid in management decision making. How MIS obtain their data from TPS? These are the examples or the database of a transaction processing system, or, or the MIS, or how it works. Sample MIS report. The Consolidated Consumer Products Corporation sales by product and sales region 2008. This report showing summarized annual sales data was produced by the MIS in the previous figure. The rule of information system in a business. Firms invest in information system in order to achieve operational excellence, develop new products and services, attain customer intimacy and service, improve decision making, promote competitive advantage, ensure survival, and that's all. Thank you.